Farm update. We got some azolla, and I put it in. I put it in a few different places, but where the septic tank was the place that it actually kept growing. The other places had too much nitrogen. Ordered some duckweed, so we can try to put in some of the water to use up some of the nitrogen in the waters. Here's the update. So today is December 1st. There's Big Mama.
Saktong motor sa ako kapay gamay naong ng sakto na ako uban na nagtrabaho na uban na niya ako'y pahatod doon niya ko di ko mahatod ko ito nyo angkas mo tulo na kaya makita niya tuwang din yung mga gamit kada una-una na pinalit sa imo nga na may mga pinuto sa Shopee duda na po siya nga
This week they were working on the fence, and they got the fence almost finished. The water from the well is only about 4 feet from the surface, from the ground level. It's been raining a lot, so the groundwater's risen. And that's the update for today.